Oh, hey everybody, we're back. We're back with another tasty treat that I've actually never had before, so my opinion means nothing. We're doing the Dole Whip. The Dole Whip is apparently from Disney World. Since there's a pandemic and it's never going to open back up again, I'm probably never going to have it in my life. So I figure I may as well make it and cry. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's very easy. It's very simple, apparently. We're going to start out with 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we're going to go to 2 cups of frozen pineapples. Here, put the camera on me. What is wrong with you guys? Paper towels, toilet paper, that's outrageous to be gone. Why? Why did you take that? Fine. Frozen pineapples? I couldn't find them. What are you guys doing with them? Making Dole Whips? Weird. Didn't matter. Bought a fresh one, froze it. 2 cups. Fresh frozen pineapples, if that makes sense. Next up, 1 giant scoop of vanilla ice cream. And if you guys didn't know, Breyer's vanilla bean ice cream, better than regular vanilla ice cream. I stand by my opinions. Next, you're gonna need a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a Ziploc bag. This is just, you know, if you're fancy and if you have piping bags. Also, a big beer mug, because that's easiest way to fill it up. And that's pretty much all you need for this. But in Brian fashion, third person right now. In Brian fashion, we're gonna split this. It's not gonna be 4 ounces of pineapple juice. I'm gonna do 2 ounces. And I'm gonna do 2 ounces of Gosling's Black Seal rum. Bermuda black rum. Because it's what I got. I don't know. It just sounds good. I gotta booze it up. It's boozy, okay? We're gonna do that. You're gonna need a, what is this thing called? Blender. That. Cool. Little, thank you, Deanna, for my little turtle measuring cups. Spatula, ice cream scoop, all that stuff. We're gonna do this now. I've never done this before. I've never had it before, but everybody talks about it, and we gotta bring joy in the world. So 2 cups of pineapples. Cool. All right, we're gonna do just a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Cool beans. That one's good. I'm gonna take our scooper, take the best vanilla ice cream in the game. It's probably all melted. We're gonna take a big scoop, apparently. That seems big enough, I guess. Damn. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of the black rum. Let's go. That seems alright. And that's it. We're gonna blend this up. Hopefully it blends. I don't think it's going to. Oh no, is this loose? That's bad. All right, and. I knew it wasn't gonna work. The worst blender in existence. Yeah, that looks pretty cool to me. I'll say that. Sweet. All right. Now we take our nice rubber spatch. We're gonna throw her in here. Oh man, I feel like it's too watery. Who knows? I don't know how this is supposed to be. I've never had it before. God, that does look magical though. Cool. You know what I didn't get was we're gonna use this because it's here. And when you got random mason jars everywhere, we're gonna use that. Oh man, no. All right, it's already spilling everywhere. Here we go. It's a little more melty than I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. The flavor should be there. Look at that piece of crap. Nah, that looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me find a spoon. Look at this Dole Whip. All right, we're gonna see this. I've never had this, so I have absolutely no opinion that matters, but I'm gonna try this out. If this is how a Dole Whip tastes, that's pretty good. It tastes like, if you can believe it, blended up pineapples with ice cream. Which sounds pretty great, but there's this hint of Gosling's Black Seal rum. Yep, nope, that's banging. That's a summer treat for you right there. You want to try it? I know you're on the ketos and you're not supposed to, but do it. Do it. Tell me that's not banging. Have you ever had one? You've been to Disney. I've never been there. Mm-mm. Apparently, this is top notch right there. Tell me it was good.
It's super good. It's really sweet.
Well, yeah, it's a whole bunch of pineapples. God dang. Well, there you have it. Who says that? Is that Tipsy Bartender? There you have it. The Dole Whip with rum in it. And if you don't want rum in it, just use 4 ounces of pineapple juice. There you go. It's easy. Make it for your kids. Put rum in it. They'll go to sleep early. See y'all later.